Data centers rely on uninterrupted cooling, but fouling, clogged nozzles, and scaling waste water and energy and put uptime at risk. When condenser water is not clean, cooling systems lose efficiency, blowdown rises, and operating costs climb, putting performance at risk during peak demand. Tekleen automatic self-cleaning water filters protect mission-critical cooling. With pressure-activated backwash, they remove suspended solids down to 2 microns without interrupting flow. Tekleen filters are proven across cooling towers, condenser water, chillers, coils, humidification, and adiabatic systems, helping data centers run cooler, cleaner, and more reliably. With over 40 years of experience across industrial, irrigation, commercial, and municipal systems, Tekleen delivers the same reliability data centers demand every second of every day. Boost water efficiency, lower energy costs, reduce maintenance, and safeguard uptime where downtime is not an option. More uptime, more cooling capacity, more peace of mind. Contact our engineers today.